Let's take a peek at NVIDIA. This is the monthly chart, and as you can see, we're in a squeeze right here. So we have earnings coming up. We could squeeze and bust right through that top trend line. It has definitely pulled up to it this last week and just stopped, right? So another interesting clue to what's happening here is we have this V pattern that's formed, and here's a couple different examples and more of like a definition of what that is and what could potentially come next. You can see that we make that V, we get a pull up above and a sharp pull back down to test that top of the V before we continue on and rip, which is perfect timing with NVIDIA's earnings coming up. So let's see what this next week brings us. If we kind of pull back up, we've already got that top right here, right? So here's our top. So we might get a little push above, a little pull down. I mean, how perfect is this? Push above, pull down, and then earnings. We obviously don't know for sure what's going to happen next, but the V pattern is a technical analysis chart pattern that indicates a sharp reversal in the security's price trend resembling the letter V. Usually occurs after a prolonged downtrend, which has not been too prolonged. We've just had 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, but NVIDIA has been on a tear for a long time to the upside. So 4 weeks might be a little bit of a prolonged downtrend for NVIDIA, where price falls dramatically and then experiences a rapid and sharp reversal, resulting in an upward price movement. And that's really what it's done the last little bit right here. We've had these rips to the upside, then we pull back down, rip to the upside. So we have been in this upward momentum shift right here. So I am going to be watching this week to see, do we get a little bit more of this where we jump up, we pull back, and then rip for earnings? Kind of seems like the perfect timing, right? Let's just see where we go level to level.